Alright guys, Ops wanted me to try this for testing, so we're going with only one piston ring on this motor. Bear with me a minute. This is a tight ass fit. Alright, so I like using red thread locker on my stud bolts, and I use this on my gasket. And I'm just going to set this down and let all of this dry. Let all of that dry. So it's going to cure overnight. So I got some more stuff on the way, letting this cure, and I gotta get a back tire for a zip tie, and we'll be ready to fire this thing off and see what she does. She's gonna be up there. It's pretty there she is, guys. Alright guys, stay tuned for the full build. It's coming. Alright, Ops, my dude, here is your leftover ring for the testing purpose. It's out. I'm waiting on, I ordered a head. I'll go ahead and tell you this. I ordered me a better head, and I mean, I'm just letting this all cure up and she'll be ready. Pretty much. I got to get a tire for my bike and all that. So she'll be ready, boys. I think it's going to be a sweet little deal. Said and done. Tell me what y'all think. It's a work of art right here. Work of art. Alright guys, stay tuned.